Ukanike kunye nama abantu naye usisi Gloria Serobe nongu chairperson ungusihlalo ngaphambili Wiphold Ltd. Mem mandikwamkele.
Enkosi.
Khawundichazele ibaluleke kangakanani imini yanamhlanje ne discussion ye round table. How important is that?
Ziyafuneka izingxoxo wethu. Kaloku kuyalungiswa ngoku, in the sense that indaba ye-economy ayiyo bantu abathile and not abanye abantu abathile. So la panel was so well put together. People of different backgrounds, different views. I must say I enjoyed it because it's that kind of dialogue that we like. But most important though is that it shouldn't just be a talking panel, it must be the doing panel. So what I enjoyed most about the panel is that the people who are doing things wherever they are sitting, they are trying to do their best wherever.
Sifikelela njani kwaba bantu bangaphangeliyo baphaya elokishini ukuze nabo balive elifuthe livuwa ngabantu kwesi panels?
I think the reality is that conversations with boardrooms have got to change. They have got to build that into it. If we are going to be creative about how do we build small businesses because we think that they will help with employment, I think the big businesses must come on board and also look at that innovatively and do what has got to do. One of the things, for example, always say access to finance, that is the most talked about. Access to markets. Some of the markets are the big businesses. Cabbage is cabbage now. Potatoes is potatoes. They don't really have to come from another big farmer to stock up or Pick and Pay, no Spar, no Banban. I think they can really encourage some of the small businesses as growers and source from them, as an example. But as anqoko ke kufuneka zenziwe kuba kaloku lide elixesha besingaphandle apha ebhizinesini. Sizama ulungisa loo nto yona.
Unaliphupha loba ngo-2030 noko sawube sesicuthile ekuyitshintsheni le meko?
Andingo-government ke, so andina-2030 mna kweyam ingqondo. Into nayo mhlambi ndimejarisha mo ngabantwana bam, in the sense that I don't want them to go through what I went through. And so I will obsess a lot about the long route I took. It must not be unnecessarily be taken by them as well. Having said that, there is no space for shortcuts. We also have to tell our children that we are pangel. It's nothing about to be invested in so we billionaire. There is no such in the world. To be a banker, you need to spend 10 years, 15 years in the banking system, working tediously and doing these things. So those into kufuneka sifundisane zona. Into nje ekufuneka ke sithi make sure yona thina ke ngoku is that they must never feel excluded again. Then we will have failed them.
Mem Serobe, sibulele kakhulu ngexesha lakho.
Thank you.
Ukanike lobe sincokola naye apho ngumem uSerobe nonguye uchairperson we Wiphold Ltd.